this camera set around the United States, and that's one of them. I just walked by an infinite source of money. Lucky to be me. National Constitution. Are you serious? National Constitution Center? I really don't know what the National Constitution Center is, but it sounds very important. So it probably is very important. Chinatown supposed to be like a I have no idea what that gateway is supposed to be. We'll pop to here with more of my videos. So we're heading into Writing Terminal with one of the, this is one of the oldest food markets in the country. We are in Philadelphia Center City. And also, sorry I've been posting for a while, so come on. Oh my gosh, too many cakes. Too many cakes. Dang. Ooh, cream puff. Oh wait. They don't have any pumpkin pie. That's my favorite type of pie.
Oh, it's a pumpkin pie?
Yeah.
Yep, a slice of pumpkin pie.
Don't anymore.
I don't got no slices.
You want one?
Yeah, I want it.
Yeah.
En el caso de él, tiene el evento, ¿verdad? ¿Cuándo es el evento?
Look at this.
Lemon
It looks
meringue.
interesting, and I cannot read it. Yeah, sorry if I said that incorrectly. This looks weird. That's all I gotta say. I don't want to insult anyone if this is their favorite dish or if I said the name wrong. I'm just sorry.
Thank you.
Thank
There's a fork right there.
Hey. That's a lot of yummy looking donuts. We just entered Writing Terminal. I got a pumpkin pie slice. It was worth the kind of long wait because it didn't got pumpkin pie slices, but we got one, and that's it. It tastes good. It was a good looking place, but there's too many people inside of it. That's really the only problem. Everything there looks really good, but there's too much people that clog everything up. Like I wanted like a few like a bucket of chicken or something. It's a long line. I wanted a donut. a long line. There's too many people there because it's too historical. You won't see like more than 1,000 people in your Dunkin' Donuts, will you? Exactly. Well, the food there is probably good, probably really good, but it's going to take too long to get it. Sorry if you like want to get a quick bite at there, but you're not. You can only really eat there in your free time. Yeah, so that's pretty much my review of it, and I can't wait to eat this pumpkin pie because if you didn't know, which you probably didn't, my pumpkin pie is my favorite pie. Hey guys, this is Popcorn. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. Right now I'm in Philadelphia in front of the art museum. So hopefully you'll like and subscribe, hit all the notification, all that jazz. And so you can't miss out one of my videos.